Good morning, guys. This is Umar Hamid. Today is Sunday, and it starts with a bad thing that somebody parked at my parking place, because I have a paid parking space, and somebody have parked it. So I hope that guy remove that car, and I have parked my car somewhere else where I don't know, it's not there. So let's go, and the rest of the plan I'm gonna tell you there. So I'm in my car now, and I am going to pick up my friend named Ali, and he's a very good photographer, and I do and a lot. I don't know why. So after that we are going to do go a place. That's a really nice place. He needs to have some videos for his channel, and I need to make a vlog for that place, as I said in my vlog that I'm gonna go to different places. So that's the last day of a weekend, so I want to enjoy it as much as I can. So let's go and pick him up. So we have reached the place, and to join me, my friend Ali. Go check out his page. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and we are here. As I told you, I do and a lot, so we are here. Let me show you. place that I need to go, and it's just a little bit more far, and I need to take these stairs to go up there.
give up. Your luck will break even, I'm the one. So smile, so smile, you're with me now. So smile, so smile, you're with me now. For my love, so smile, we won't give up. Your luck will break even, I'm the one. So smile, so smile, you're with me now. So smile, so smile, you're with me now.
So this is the end of today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed my video. This is a really nice small waterfall as compared to other waterfalls in the world, but still it's nice and it's a good hiking trip. So hope you have a good day, and hope you have enjoyed my video. Do follow me on my Instagram and subscribe. Till then, bye.